So good day everyone. Welcome to my channel where I provide mathematical help for all. Those who have not yet subscribed, please do so now because this will be beneficial to you, and please share to all those who need mathematical help. Please share the videos, like the videos so others may see and it may be beneficial to all. And I cater for all at all levels. But in this video, we'll be learning how to find the missing angle of a triangle. So whenever we are given a triangle and there is a missing angle, we can find the missing angles. So let's go into the video now. So here we have a triangle. We don't know what kind of triangle is this. I mean, we just know that interior angles of a triangle measure up to 180 degrees. We don't know if it's a scalene, an isosceles, or an equilateral triangle. But what we'll do now is, we know that interior angles of a triangle measure up to 180 degrees. And we are given two angles here, and we are supposed to find the missing angle being x. So what we'll do here is we'll add these two angles, two given angles, and minus it from 180 degrees. So that will be 180 degrees minus 40 plus 30. So we'll bracket this and evaluate what's in the bracket first. This is already evaluated the matter. So 80 minus 40 plus 30 will be 70. And 180 minus 70 would be so x would be equal to 110 degrees. So x will be equal to 110 degrees there. We may be given a triangle such as this. They say this angle is 70 degrees. These two sides are equal. X, Y. So these two sides are equal. This angle is 70 degrees. So because this is an isosceles triangle, because these two sides are equal, that means these two angles are equal as well. So we don't have to be given two angles for this triangle to find the missing angles. What we'll do, since we know that interior angles of a triangle measure up to 180 degrees, we'll just minus 70 from 180. And we'll divide it by 2 because these two angles are the same. So we'll have 180 minus 70, which will be 110 degrees. (110) divided by 2, and x would be equal to 110 divided by 2 will be 55. So x would be 55 and y would be 55. So x equal 55 and y equal 55. I mean x equal y. So these three sides should be equal. Triangles are not drawn to scale, sorry. So these three sides should be equal. And if these three sides are equal, that means all three angles are equal. So, because all three angles are equal, we'll just divide 180 by 3. So we'll just have 180 divided by 3. 180 divided by 3 would be 60 degrees. So x would be 60 degrees, y would be 60 degrees, and z would be 60 degrees because all the angles are equal. So this is our right angle triangle. I trust that you may be able to find what x is here. Matter of fact, let me not use that triangle. So that's a right angle triangle. This here is x. The unknown is x. I trust that you can find the missing angle of this triangle, even though we are given only one side, one angle I mean, and we don't know if it's an isosceles triangle or it's a scaling triangle. But we know it's not an equilateral triangle because it's a right angle triangle. So because we know that the right angle is already 90 degrees, that means these two angles here would be measuring up to 90 degrees. So we'll just minus 20 from 90. And that will be equal to 70 degrees.